Assalamu alaikum, dear Zoo.
Walaikum salam.
My name is Jamal Samoa, and I am 15. I come from South Region. My question is, what is the importance of Salat?
You see, Allah Ta'ala has said in the Holy Quran that وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ, that I have created jinn and human being, and that is also human being, the big people and the poor people, and an ordinary person and a rich man, to worship me. And Allah is not going to get benefit out of it. If we worship Allah Ta'ala, we are going to gain something out of it. And you see, sometime so many people have experienced that when they pass through some sufferings, as the other boy asked, and when they pray to Allah Ta'ala to remove and bring me out from these sufferings, and then Allah Ta'ala listen to their prayers. Yes, you stand there. Stand here. Allah Ta'ala listen to their prayers and remove the sufferings. Free the person from the sufferings. And and then at the same time, we also gain the love of Allah Ta'ala. And always remember that this is not the only life we are passing through in this world. There is another life to come, and that is hereafter. And that is the eternal life. There, Allah Ta'ala will also reward us from worship and following His commandments. Right? Okay.
Yeah.
So when you have any problem, you should try to pray and seek Allah Ta'ala's help in solving your problems. Right? But at the same time, you have to be regular and punctual in offering 5-time daily prayers. Not that when you come across any problem, then you go to the mosque and pray to Allah Ta'ala, or you just stand in the corner of your house and just start doing salat. No. You have to be regular in offering your prayers. Then Allah Ta'ala will listen to your prayers. Okay?
Jazakallah.